So today I'm going to discuss about mental model in UX design, sir. So mental model, the user experience design. First one is what is mental model and how it is used to how is used in real time in UX. Is a one mental model is a model of what users know about a system such as your website. Users form their predictions about the system based on their mental models. So, what are mental models? First one is it is a cognitive schemes that people use to establish the orders as well as make sense of and interact with the with their surrounding world. These models includes things such as past experience, native knowledge, beliefs, and prescriptions, and they can thus affect how people understand and respond to the different situations. So a primary goal for the designers to ensure that the user interface clearly communicates the nature of the systems so that users from accurate mental models. So here first one is we are going to discuss about the types of mental models. One is conceptual models, another one is task models, another one is user models, these three models we are going to discuss. So first one is these are the higher level and almost abstract descriptions of the working of the system in terms of the structures, operations, and interactivity. The conceptual model leads to user understanding of the product's overall resiliency or interface used. So task models, this approach deals with the particular user's task of workflows, efficiency within the systems. They specify the steps, inputs and outputs and the decision points in the process of task, thereby providing the guidelines to be followed by the for the design of the well-crafted user interface that are initiative and efficient. So third one is user models. The designer's views serves as the foundation for the user models, which are formulated based on the well-grounded knowledge of their target users, attributes, tendencies, behaviors, patterns, and expectations. The user designs the user experience designers can create the approximate user models and customize the platform elements, and namely content, navigations, and feedbacks in order to satisfy the user requirement and expectations. So here we understand the user mental models, the understanding and aligning the interface with the user's existing models, prescriptions and attentions, the designing for how users preserves and attend to visual elements within the interface. Third one is information processing, the optimizing the presentation of the information to match users' cognitive abilities for the efficient processing. So how to make use more mental models in UX design. So first one is user research, personal development, information architectures, prototyping and testings, and interactive design. So what is a user research? It engages in extensive research to learn about the existing mental models which are associated with the product or service by the users that are interested to it. Personal development. So develop users personas based on the collected data sets, using their goals and patterns, and understanding the models, the information architecture, they develop information structures and navigations patterns that meets the users cognitive behavior, letting them quickly locate what they are looking for. So prototyping and testing, perform prototyping and user testing to see whether the design corresponds to the users mentals them meeting their needs and they're looking for. So prototyping and testing, the perform prototyping and user testing to see whether the design corresponds to the user mentals model and meeting their needs as better as possible, sir. So interactive design, the continue the iterations and refinement of the design in accordance with the user's feedback so as to maintain the balance with the user's mental models consistency. So why the mental models importance? So the decision making, problem solving, and learning and education. These three are the main. They are the important for the main mental models to use these in interpersonal communications, innovations, and creativity, and some text. The uses of mental models in UX designs. The informing the decisions and predicting the user behaviors, and enhancing learnability. So these three are the usable behavior. Examples of mental models. So examples of mental models. Here the task flows matching mental models, structuring the task flows in ways the mirrors users mental models for the smoother navigations. The progressive disclosure, the gradually revealing the informations and alignment with the users mental models, avoiding the informations overloaded. So accessibility considerations, ensuring accessibility features are integrated to accommodate the diverse users needs and mentors models. The storytelling in design, using storytelling elements in the design to guide the users through the narrative that aligns with their mental models. So cognitive walkthroughs, the conducting cognitive walkthroughs through the design process to access how well the interface aligns with the users with the steps. So these are the mental models which can be used in the UX process. Thank you.